Hi, here is Jochen from verovis. In this video I will introduce you to our new and free Microsoft Marketplace offering called SAP Data Pool. Alright, so let's start with the business case. Why should you care? Target group for this offering are companies running on SAP. You are running SAP ECC, BW or HANA, and you also want to improve support for business with all that promising AI and data science applications shown on the right, like Predictive Analytics, Anomaly Detection or recommendation engines. Doing this with SAP own feature stack is a valid option. But if you want to leverage services outside SAP world, Microsoft provides here also a rich feature stack with Azure services like Databricks, Synapse Analytics, Cognitive Services, Power BI Frontends, and so on. Maybe you already tried connecting live from cloud sources to on-prem stored historic or real-time data. This can work in some scenarios, but often we found this doesn't scale, causes bandwidth problems and other issues. In these cases, you will end in finding out that you need a more solid foundation for data transfer and data management. Latest at that point, you will need to stop and usually start to set up a dedicated project to support all that innovative use cases you planned. My colleagues and me were involved in plenty of data integration projects like this during the last years. The project started all with the basic question: how to make the needed data in on-prem SAP installations available for such use cases outside of SAP. This question usually leads to a numerous amount of further questions regarding cost, security, performance, and user experience requirements. I have seen many projects, for example, die before start because of security concerns. Can we really store our high confidential data in the cloud? Who will take responsibility for that? Also, big questions come usually to performance and data latency questions. We from verovis want to simplify such projects by providing now a standardized blueprint and a foundational template which one can build on custom solutions. So let's talk about that offering in more detail. As mentioned, our solution is free. The solution will allow you instantly establish a data pool of historic SAP data in Azure, which you then can build on with advanced use cases like I described on the last slide. Installation should not take longer than 30 minutes and can be split in 4 phases. First, install the solution from the Marketplace webpage. Second, configure which SAP tables you want to load. Third, schedule automatic data loads and with that update the data pool as needed. Last step, connect now to the built data pool and start working with your data in Azure and Power BI. Here you see the offering page. You will find the link to this page in the video description below. Just click on Get It Now and you will be walked through the installation steps. Currently we have a basic plan available in Marketplace. Additional plans will come in future as our solution and Marketplace possibilities will evolve. As mentioned before, we at verovis have many years experience in the space of data integration and connecting SAP and Microsoft worlds. So we are aware that the current Marketplace solution can only be a starting point. But we would love to discuss your requirements in detail. Also be aware that we have working solutions already available offline for extended topics like build enterprise scale data lakes and modern data warehousing systems, Fort Knox style security hardening, we will talk about that in a minute, or mastering detailed topics in SAP connectivity like connecting to BW and HANA, leveraging data queue extractors and doing intelligent data loading for tables to limit bandwidth and data latency, or consolidation of multiple SAP systems into one data pool, and so on. Please, just contact us so we can discuss your requirements in detail. Are you now interested in getting more details how the solution is built? Here you see the technical overview. All data loads are done with Azure Data Factory and the dynamic pipeline approach. During load, the data is extracted from SAP and stored in Azure Blob Storage. The data factory loads the data from the on-premises SAP systems, shown on the bottom left, through the ADF integration runtime. This integration runtime is a piece of software you will usually install on one of your on-prem servers, but you can also install it on Azure VM if you have already network routing between Azure and your on-prem network available. The integration runtime acts as a broker to establish a secure outbound network connection from on-prem to the Azure cloud, so no inbound firewall rules are needed here. For further details how to install, please refer the documentation we provide and see also our installation video, the link you find below in the video description. All components shown here, except the integration runtime, are installed automatically in a two-step approach if you choose Get It Now from the Marketplace offering. To finish the architecture overview, I want to show you here a possible full blueprint for implementation. On top of the data pool foundation, we can now use additional Azure services to extend on performance, security, and use case requirements as needed. Azure provides you over 50 services you can use to build the perfect solution for your needs. So the yellow boxes are just some examples here to give you some ideas. To give you some more ideas here, you can see an overview of our most popular use cases we already built for finance and account area. Our cases can be categorized into predictive forecasting and financial anomaly detection in various fields. If you are interested in learning more about that use cases, please contact us and we are happy to give you a demo and more details on that. Okay, as promised, let's talk now about security. Of course, this is a very important topic of discussion, but what are the hard facts here? Do you have also someone like Dave in your company? The point here is we can't and we don't want to eliminate Dave shown in that picture. But from IT perspective, we must do our duty and target to minimize the impact of human error. This slide shows at a glance how Microsoft is organized to protect your systems. Some of the key teams here are the Cyber Defense Operations Center, the CDOC, which is a 24/7 cybersecurity and defense facility that unites Microsoft's security experts and data scientists in a centralized location. Advanced software tools and real-time analytics help to protect, detect, and respond to threats to Microsoft's cloud infrastructure. Then there is the Digital Crimes Unit, a team of legal and technical experts who work with law enforcement agencies, including Europol, the FBI, and the Interpol. The cyber hunting teams are constantly hunting for suspect activities in the enterprise and cloud services environment. Then there is the Malware Protection Center, which is responsible for the world's largest antivirus and anti-malware service, and the Security Response Center, which is Microsoft's team that identifies, monitors, responds, and resolves security incidents in the Microsoft software, services, and devices. All of that learnings from that teams working together teaches how to make Microsoft products more secure as well as to better protect customers in near real time. So let's check the security layers we should be aware of and how we can secure them with Azure. Please also compare these options to your local data center with dedicated IT resources and budgets to the economies of scale Microsoft can provide us here. On the physical level, every Microsoft data center is certified and audited with over 90 compliance certifications. We will assume here that your location is in German-speaking DACH area, so you will choose one of the data centers here available, like Amsterdam, Berlin, Dublin, Frankfurt, or Genf. On the identity access layer, we can secure all authentications with Azure Active Directory, multi-factor authentication, conditional access policies. Authorization and permission management can be done with rotating storage keys or shared access signatures. On the network layer, we can prevent any traffic going through internet connections via Azure Express Route. We can leverage Azure firewalls and network security cubes as needed. Of course, all traffic will be strong encrypted. Regarding encryption, the approach here is that all data in motion and rest is always encrypted. With Azure Key Vault, you can establish a central point where all security-sensitive access keys, certificates, and secrets are stored, optionally with a dedicated hardware wallet. Last point here, monitoring, auditing, and logging capabilities in all Azure services provide a rich set of functionality to persistent logging, alerting, and analysis of all security-relevant activities. To summarize on that, with Azure, you can definitively build your high secure Fort Knox, and that with a fraction of costs it will take compared to poor on-premises approaches. We are now near to end for this video, so let's summarize again. The message here is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Leverage what we from verovis have already built. You can use our foundational SAP Data Pool solution for all your Azure use cases with requirements in SAP data. The solution can be deployed instantly and it's free. On request, we provide also content templates for topics like finance and controlling, for example. The solution can be used as a foundation for modern and enterprise-scale data warehousing built on Azure, Synapse Analytics, or other services. The solution can also be implemented with highest level of security requirements. Use the available Azure services to build your secure Fort Knox. Okay, we are now at the end. We from verovis would love to support you in your journey and provide you with better practices as needed. Please check our website and the links in the video description below and get in contact with us. Thanks for watching and take care.